Welcome back to my channel, and yes, we're looking at something really cool. It's a 4-in-1 dog seat cover for your back seat. It's a convertible, so basically it does a single seat, split seat, straight seat, all kinds of cool stuff. This is a really versatile item, really well made. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the unboxing and let's take a look at this item. And welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Today we're looking at something a little different, a luxury car seat cover. Pet supplies, pet care seat cover. So if you have a pet, big or small, and they sit in the back seat a lot, you need to know that you have to protect the seat, as you know. You want something comfortable for them to sit on. You want something that's going to keep them comfortable, as well as safe, as well as keep the car clean. That's the idea behind this. So this is a luxury car seat. So let's just take a quick look at this. I just want to do an unboxing and just show you a little bit about this item here. First of all, let's just take a look at this here real quickly together. So you can see here how it looks, this design here. So it has the accessories included. So it has the clips to clip it down, the actual the layout of itself. Okay, gives you some ideas. You can use it, how you can set it up in the car. Okay, multi-purpose car cover. That's what it says. Okay, seat pattern integrated with car interior, gold thread routing, orange leather, enhanced stitching, high grade texture, sealed seatbelt. You can conceal the seatbelt on it. Double flanked hooks for better fitting. So a little bit about the information about that, and that is the size here. So that's that. So let's take a look at it itself and just see what we have. This is a pretty big item, actually. This will fit in any car, big car, small car. Makes no difference at all. As you can see here, you can see all the nice stitching in here. Take a look at that. And these are the accessory hooks to it says accessories right here. This is to basically lock down this in place in your vehicle. So that's really important. So this is a really big item, and I'm just going to just go over it quickly with you and just take a look at it together. The straps. Let's open this up. Take a look at it. And you can see it is pretty large. You can see there, pretty large. And this thing opens up quite a bit. And this will sit right in your back seat. And let's just open this up and just take a look at it in the feel. So first impression, just to let you know, let's just go over the quality. So the quality is excellent. You can see the nice stitching here. Okay, everything here is put together. To get the reinforced leather patches here, or fabric patches actually, to reinforce the straps to hold everything down. Okay, these are locking straps that work in conjunction with this accessory kit here. Velcro straps. Let's see. Let's open this up. Take a look at it. This is a large item. You can see that. This is going to fit nicely in the back seat of your car. Okay. So this part here is the underside. Take a look at that. You can see that. Okay. Wow. This thing is ginormous. Let's take a look at this together. Okay. So here it is here. So hopefully you can see the size of this thing. This thing is huge. So this will just fit nicely in the car. It does go the other way. Okay, so this is the back side here. As you can see here, so the back side is a non-slip, so it won't scratch your car, won't damage the leather or fabric in your vehicle. You can see this is very, very well made. PVC mesh window it has, so you can see the dog. It has all kinds of pockets and all kinds of different options with this. This is a really nice high-end luxury item. Very, very well made, I have to tell you as well. So it's all important. It has anti-scratch and widely matched sizes. So in other words, basically this will pretty much fit in any back seat. You can kind of adjust it. It's got you can see here the zipper, so you can adjust it to a split seat, or a back seat, or a straight seat, whatever you want to do. It's really, really kind of cool. Easy to clean, very important, very well stitched. I mean, the stitching here is really nice. So if you got a big, rough, tough dog, it's not going to hurt it at all. It's a really nice quality. So this is a nice quality hammock. Like I said, you can't go wrong. Easy to install. It's got all the straps. You can mount it down. It's got the lock straps. You can just like a baby seat, basically, you can anchor this thing down and it's not going to go anywhere. So it's really, really super high quality construction. I do like this really a lot. Okay, so this hammock, let's take a look at it. So 4 heavy duty headrests, snap buckles. You can see that here in the photo here. Also 2 seat anchors. So basically it locks it down, gets it ready to go. It's very, very important to do that. And fully covered non-slip rubber backing. So that's what you saw in the beginning to make sure you're comfortable for the dog and also protect your cars as well from pet hair and scratching and things like that. That's what this is designed for, to give the dog comfort and to protect the back of your vehicle. Especially if you have a high-end leather, you don't want that to get scratched. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so another thing is the visible net window. You saw that in the unboxing. What that does is gives the dog some ventilation, which is important, right? You have the air conditioner on, and also to have communication with the dog. So that way he can see you, reduces anxiety. They feel safe, they feel comfortable, and they have just the best of both worlds: comfort as well as safety for the car, safety for the dog. And I think this is a really nice product. Definitely has pockets. It's very, very universal. Really, really kind of cool. All right, let's continue. So in the beginning, I talked about it being the universal, or basically they call this a convertible. So multiple uses, you can see. So it's hammock style, bench style, right? You get the co-pilot style, which is kind of cool. You can actually put it in the front seat too as well, but I recommend the back. And also trunk style, lay it really flat, covers the whole trunk. So if you got a couple of big dogs, put them in the back, you got a hatchback. This thing works for everything. So that's why they call it a convertible, just so you know. All right, let's continue. So another cool thing, so kids, pets sit together, so that's kind of cool. So also protects it from the kids. I never thought of that, right? Think about that. So the kids spill juice, right? So there you go. Not just for pets, but also for the kitties. They get a little messy sometimes in the backseat. I know my granddaughter gets a little wild throwing things around. So that's kind of cool too. So this is really universal, like I said. So this is great for kids and pets can sit together. That's really cool. I love that. All right, next. So this specific brand here, you can see the difference, right? Others in this company here, this is really nice. You can see the difference in the stitching. You can see the thickness of the fabrics, many more waterproof barriers, many more protections for the car as well as your pet. So this is really, you can see the difference here. I'll just give you a side-by-side comparison. Like this quality product is far superior, I think. So far, I love it. Let's go. So you can see here, like I talked about before, it's got the non-slip backing, which is really important, okay? It has the seat anchors, like I talked about. There's two of those as well. And the fabric is upgraded texture, which means basically it has much more padding to it. It's much more durable, and the stitching in the fabric is just highly, much better quality all around, as far as I'm concerned. I've seen some different car seats in the back, and they just don't hold up. This is a much, much better quality. So I talked about the different sizes in the beginning. So 53 inches wide by 59 inches long. So this is just to give you some perspective, okay? So it can fit pretty much a family car, SUV, truck, limousine, I'm not sure, but whatever. So this kind of fits all types of vehicles you can see here. So this is a quick shot. Just can see the dimensions. You can get the idea and the perspective of the size. Okay, let's continue. Okay, last but not least, damp cloth washable, also machine washable. You can put it in a laundry bag as needed, so it won't get ripped apart. It's very important. Put that in a laundry bag. Easy clean and easy to vacuum. So really, really easy care. So if you have a dog, clean up the hair, clean up the messes. Real easy, especially the kids. You never know. Okay, let's continue. Let's finish up this review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you're enjoying this. Let's go. Okay, so that kind of wraps it up. So just go over one more time with you. You saw everything. You saw the cutaways. You saw the beginning and the opening. You see the actual package itself. Really, all around, great product. I'll leave a link in the description below. So if you're interested in purchasing this type of item yourself, I'll leave a link so you can just find it. This is the exact item. This is a really nice quality. And like I said, I'm going to give it to my daughter. She has a couple of Yorkies, and they're going to love it. They're going to just run around the back and not worry. She doesn't have to worry about her car either getting damaged. She just got a new car with leather seats and that are really protected. I think that'll be really kind of good, especially if there's any accidents or anything. This is all waterproof as well, so that's really kind of cool. That's really important. So okay, guys, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to see future reviews and videos, so you'll be notified when the next awesome review comes up. We do all types of reviews, so just bookmark us, keep us in your profile, and you'll come back to us and take a look at us all the time. We have over 400 videos on our channel, and I appreciate your time as always. Okay, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.